Let's change your life today. I don't know about you, but I don't need all the stuff to be happy in my life. There's a huge movement of people, and you may be one of them, that just wants to be happy in how they're earning, how they're living, and what they're earning. Passionate about what they do, and no more struggle. And you are in charge of your life, and you can make a difference, and you can start today. I'm Landria Onkka. You may have seen me on my popular YouTube channel, talk shows on CEO Money, and other places where I discuss how I went from a 25-year, very successful investment banking career to going after my dreams. Why? Because that's the only thing that is truly important. How we treat one another and how we're living our lives. The quality of time with your family and friends, not struggling to earn anymore, or when you're earning, just working so hard and not loving what you do for a living. People are done with that. Are you done with it? I quit my job. It was my company. I let it all go because I went after the things that I truly felt were important in my life. My friends, my health, I was getting heart palpitations and earning the kind of money that I wanted to, doing what I wanted to do. Not struggling, chasing clients. You can probably relate to this. Feeling stuck in a job because that's probably what you've been doing for a long time and you don't know what your options are. I saw a promotion just like this with somebody who I felt was truly sincere, who cared about the people that he was promoting to. And I feel the same way. I've been an internet marketer for 5 years. I own multiple online companies, businesses, just me. And I'm going to tell you right now, I've never been happier and I've never flourished financially like I have now. Why? Because I love what I do every day. I did what it took to get the skills and the knowledge to create this life. And no, the market is not flooded, even though you probably see a lot of promos like this. Why? Because people are bucking the system and we're showing others how to get out of it. This is available to anyone. It's an education system that I took, and it enabled me to quit my career, go after my dreams, and I ended up having a best-selling, award-winning book that got turned into a television movie because I had the time to do the things that I love. And it's time for you to go after the things that you love because you can earn money doing it. People don't know how, but there's an education system I want to introduce you to that will show you how. In fact, it's one of the dozens of ways that you can earn money online. It's time for you to get the skills that fit into the 21st century and not let a company tell you your value, what you should and shouldn't do, how you should promote or what you should promote, and how many hours you work, what you earn. We don't live that way anymore. We're controlling our destiny and we're getting the skills to do it. I have a free workshop for you. You can click somewhere here on the screen. It'll come to your inbox, and every day you'll learn how this works, how people are implementing this education system, what they're doing with it, how they're earning, how long it takes. This is a step-by-step education system with mentors and trainers that never leave you alone. You have tech teams and an amazing community of people like yourself who are ready to let go of what's not working for us. Are you ready to go after your dreams? No technology experience required. I certainly didn't have any. No products and services required. Let's help you to find the time for your family and friends and for you to enjoy your life again. Let's help you to find a new way of living and earning. If you're interested in just receiving information, it's a workshop series that will actually give the details on how online businesses work, the various ways to earn money, and how this whole system operates. You can click somewhere here, and if you don't like it, you can unsubscribe, but it's worth checking out. It's your life, and it's time for you to go after the one that you desire, and you deserve it. Thanks for listening. I hope to see you on the other side. Take care.